Welcome to the Future Tech Spotlight online learning platform.
So this is big data analytics theory syllabus, total 3 hours contact, and you have continuous assessment 20 marks, internal exam 20 marks, and whatever the average of these two, that will be your final term work marks. Okay. And end of the semester, you are having 80 marks exam, where 40 marks, maybe the exam is online exam, then 40 marks theory and 40 marks MCQ, or if it is offline, then 80 marks theory written paper. Okay, so this is what you are having, and in this from this subject you will get 3 marks credits for your MCA curriculum. Prerequisite यहाँ पे ये है कि you should have a prior knowledge of SQL, DBMS and data mining. So we have already covered this particular topics in previous semesters. Okay, so we know this a little bit of SQL and data mining, and DBMS also, that is database management system. Okay, so that way we will go ahead with this particular topics. Okay, now from this particular course, BDA or Big Data Analytics and Visualization, we are achieving the we will achieve course objective like we will get to know about the big data analytics domain, how this particular domain is growing day by day, and how we can process data if we are having this much big data. Okay, and then after that, programming skill, how we can work on that data using the programs like MapReduce, NoSQL, Hive and Pig scripts. Okay, another way to do this with a Spark application, so that also we will see how we can use Apache Spark to analyze this distributed data. And end of the day, whatever the data we are gathering, whatever the programming we are doing for this, at end of the day, we want to analyze the data through visualization. So that we will do through Tableau. Okay, so here we will use Tableau software for this data visualization. Okay, so there are so many ways we can do this actually. The Hadoop system, agar aapko samajhna hai, so there are so many ways you can do this. Okay, but in your syllabus we will use Cloudera quick start for big data analysis. Okay, so this will be the outcome. In the first, we will see the introduction part of the big data, and we will get the understanding what the big data is as a whole. And then after, we will apply some programming scripts and algorithms to understand the data and to work on that big data using Hadoop ecosystem. The Hadoop ecosystem is a collection of so many technology that we will see once we start with the lab practicals. Okay. So fundamentally, MapReduce, NoSQL and Hadoop ecosystem we will cover in Hadoop framework. And another application is also there for big data application handling, that is Spark, that we also perform in the lab. Okay, and end of the day, visualization. So this is what our whole curriculum. So last 3 is the application oriented, you can say syllabus. Okay, so you are having theory and parallelly you are having that type of practicals also. Okay, so this is what the BDA syllabus is. Syllabus cover 6 units, where the first one is introduction to big data and Hadoop. Then after Hadoop distributed file system and MapReduce. Then not only SQL, Hadoop ecosystem, it's not only Hive and Pig, there are so many other also there in the ecosystem that we will easily get to know through HIVE environment, that we will use a HIVE browser to work on this particular ecosystems. And then after Apache Kafka and Spark, and last data visualization. Okay, so these are the modules. So you can see this the same way we are having labs also for in this order. Okay, so once we get to know about the theoretical part, then we can easily switch to our lab part. Okay, these are the reference book we require to use throughout this. Tom White, the Hadoop Definitive Guide, then Hadoop in Action by Chaklam, Shiv Achari, Hadoop Essential, very good book. Radha Shankramani and Vijay Lakshmi, Big Data Analytics. So these are the four books regarding the big data introduction and Hadoop. Okay. So for this, so how many total 4? ठीक है, यहाँ से आप 1 से लेके 4 तक के यूनिट के लिए यहाँ पे 1 से लेके 4 रेफरेंस बुक यू कैन यूज for further reference, and these are the 2 books on Spark. So because we are having one module 5 on Spark, okay, and then after the last one is James Miller book for data visualization, okay, for this 6th unit. Okay, so that way the unit distributions are there. Okay, and based on that we are having this reference book to refer this. There are some web reference also. You can use this reference. Okay, so if you don't want to read, download this book, and you want some ID, some good ID to refer things, then you can use this websites. Okay, so these are all very good website to learn concept of Pig, Hive, and Hadoop. Okay, so that also you can use. Okay, so this is what our syllabus is.
Thank you, everyone.